Mũtaratara mwerũ rungu rwa mũbango wa SHA wa ũrũgamĩrĩri wa marĩhi ma thibitarĩ kũrĩ maabithaa a rũhonge rwa borithi nĩ ũrugũrĩtio. Mũtaratara ũyũ ũkũrũgamĩrĩra maabithaa matanyihĩire 138 na ũrugũrĩtio igongona-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩkinyĩtio nĩ Minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Aden Duale na mũrunawe wa ũgitĩri Kipchumba Murkomen hamwe na maabithaa angĩ a thirikari arĩa matĩtĩrithĩtie kwĩhotora gwa thirikari ya maabithaa rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgitĩri.
Disciplined forces, you do not have to be sick. Kesho ukisema nataka kujua blood pressure yangu ni nini, if you go to any of these providers, beyond blood pressure useme you want to know your mafuta, you want to know if your kidneys are working, you want to know if the drink you had last week messed with your liver.
Coverage is a security issue, not just a medical issue. The officers working under me cannot serve effectively, respond rapidly to safety and security obligations, and remain focused on the job if they are constantly worried about how to pay for their own medical bills or those of their families. Good health coverage strengthens morale, readiness, and service delivery.
I will personally take responsibility to make sure this Usalama cover works and works for our people, because they are the ones who keep us safe. They are the ones who keep safe our country, the men and women. And I'm speaking as a former Minister for Defense. Many people don't know what the men and women in our security sector do. Your health and the health of your children is going to be a key priority for not only the leadership at SHA and the staff, but at MOH.
As a result, the new scheme provides a more comprehensive and sustainable medical cover, including last expense benefit for officers and their dependents. Under the SHA framework, officers and their families will benefit from an expanded and comprehensive package covering outpatient and inpatient services, dental and optical care, emergency services, specialized treatment, and annual medical checkups.